Well, months after I completed this pour, I decided it was just too busy for my taste. So I decided to cover up the two pours on the canvas that I didn't think matched the rest of it and kept the one pour. Just now I covered that pour so that when I pour around it I won't disturb it. And I roughly painted over the other pours using Arteza Pearl Electric Blue. Actually, first I did a white coat, and then I put this coat on just to see how it would match the covered pour here. So I have a couple of options. I could either I was thinking of putting down some blue and white and using the hair blower and getting a circular motion going to match what I had here that you can't see right now, or else do some flip cups. So I think I'll start with the hair blower, and if I don't like it, I'll change my course. And as I always say, we shall see what happens. Well, I had a lot of problems with my camcorder. Every time I turned it on, it shut off after I checked it, so I don't think I was able to record any of the flip cups. But I'll show you the end result. So I'm not sure whether I'll keep this version either. So, not sure whether to keep this or to just paint it blue the way I had it. Over the course of 7 months, this painting went through many revisions, as you can see. I lived with each one for a while, and sometimes I didn't. I just scraped it right afterwards. So you can see that I'd add color, or I'd add sweeping motions, and I'd add clouds, and then I added a midnight sky. That didn't work. Let's see what's next. Oh yeah, this is what I actually used, but then I softened it. I decided to keep all the motion going in one direction. And I softened the harsh lines using a sponge and made cloud formations, dreamy cloud formations. Here I added glass, but I didn't like the purple, so then I took out the purple after I glued it on and ended up with just the clear and pink glass. So I called it Nebula Dreams. I thought it looked dreamy. So this is the final version. And I didn't videotape any of the revisions, but I do have a video of the original pour if you're interested. It's coming up. So enjoy. This is a 3 foot by 3 foot canvas takes up the whole table. And I'm using all leftover colors. These have been mixed up for many weeks. And I had to put some of them through a sieve to get rid of the lumps and revive them with water. So as you can see, I have a plethora of colors. And so it's going to be a colorful, hopefully a colorful abstract. I have my thinner mix here and my cloud mix here, and we shall see what happens. Oh, I love the movement and all the colors in this one. And the pearls are still popping up. This looks like some comet action going on here. Some fluffy cloud effects. And I love the bold magenta against the turquoise here. And I left some negative space, as you can see. So we'll see how this develops. I'll just leave it be for now. Some big pearls popped up here along this band. So, huge colorful piece with some movement. Well, this is the next day and it's not quite dry yet, so I haven't moved it. I love all the colors and this yellow outline around the magenta, how it looks illuminated. And I have cloud effects and I have floating pearls. Get to the rest of the canvas, I have to move my stool that I'm standing on to show you the rest. Now I'm on the other side of the canvas. I love the movement in this section with the plume effect opening up and then the cascading pearls, sort of looks like meteorites. And some puffy cloud effects. This was the first section that I poured. I was contemplating just tilting off and stretching out the other two sections, but then I kind of liked the division with the white, giving it three sections with this white division here. So I left it. I mean, I could have gotten more cloud effects from this section by stretching it out, but I like what's there. So, and I left some negative space. So overall I'm happy with it. It's a bit crazy. But this is my first really large canvas and I'm happy with the way it turned out. And I'm actually surprised at how neat I was with the pouring itself and with the final outcome. I thought I'd be covered in paint and I thought the floor would be covered in paint. I had 2 drops of white paint on the floor and that was it. And it was a lot easier than I thought. Let me know what you think of the transformation. That's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.